And I'm a clinical facilitator here in the Matter Private. I'm joined by Aoibhin today for our Q&A session. How are you, Aoibhin? Thank you for joining.
Thanks for having me, Megan.
Good to have you. Can you tell me a little bit about your role in the Matter Private and how long you've been here?
So I'm a general nurse here in the Matter Private in Dublin. I work on St. Joseph's Ward, which is a cardiothoracic cardiology ward. And I've been here since 2019 when I started the new grad program here.
Perfect. And what initially attracted you to the Matter Private?
So really it was the new grad nursing program that the Matter Private offers that attracted me to the hospital. I had just qualified from nursing and I kind of wanted to explore some specialised areas and research in the hospital and what they had to offer, especially with the program. I thought it was a perfect fit and would allow me to, like I said, explore and progress my nursing career within specialised roles.
Perfect. And can you walk me through your average day in the wards?
So like most nurses in the hospital, on the ward, I work 12-hour shifts. These are based around delivering patient care to my allocated patient load. And I suppose it's different from what I was used to coming here. There's a lot more autonomy for the nurses in the hospital here. We liaise with consultants, feedback, test results, blood reports, and again, all focused on providing the best possible care for the patients.
Of course. And I'm sure it comes with its challenges, does it?
Yeah, like every hospital environment, and especially now with the times that we're in, there's challenges. But kind of the main one that I'd come across on a day-to-day basis would be the patient turnover. The hospital is exceptionally busy, and the demand for beds is always there. So ensuring that patients are ready for discharge through liaising with consultants, again, and other team members, is the biggest challenge that we face on a day-to-day basis.
And what are some of the things you like about working in the Matter Private?
So the work culture in the hospital, is really great. Again, like I said, there's a lot of autonomy for nurses here. It's a very nurturing environment, which I experienced, I think, especially firsthand through the new grad program. I had great support throughout that, which really, helped my confidence just after qualifying. And it's such a friendly environment to work in. There's great emphasis on teamwork. You're never short for help from your colleagues or management. And before long, working with different departments, you have friends and you have someone to say hello to and smile in the corridors.
Could you tell me a little bit about your time on the new grad program, as you were saying?
Yeah, so the new grad program, like I said, is what attracted me to working in the hospital here. So I had just qualified nursing, and the program allowed me to, look at 3 specialised areas in nursing in the hospital, and I would rotate through these areas. So I was able to go through. I spent 4-month periods in different areas in the hospital. So I was in orthopedics, I was in the oncology ward, and like I said, now I'm in the cardiothoracic and the cardiology ward. So really, vast experience in very specialised areas, which has stood to me, in every different area that I have moved on to. Each one has stood to me.
Brilliant. It's a great foundation for your nursing career.
Yeah, definitely. That's why I think it's a great program that the hospital do offer.
Do you have any advice for somebody who's thinking about applying to the Matter Private to work?
Yeah, no, definitely. The new grad program, like I said, from first-hand experience, is great. It's a great grounding basis for allowing nurses to be able to look at different areas of nursing that they may be interested in. and you can find your feet. And if if it's not an area that you're interested in, you're able to move on and experience another area. Like again, the work culture is fantastic here. It's you're hugely autonomous in your role. So it's definitely a working environment that I would encourage anyone to look into applying to work here.
Perfect. Listen, thank you so much for taking the time to have a chat with me, Aoibhin. It was lovely to meet you.
Thank you for having me. It was great.